What if I told you that some of the most exciting crypto projects of 2025, well, they just fell short on my top coins list. Today, we are diving into the close calls, 8 coins that were on my radar but just missed the final cut. These are projects with incredible potential, and while they didn't earn a spot this year, I still believe that they are definitely worth keeping on your watch list and maybe investing in. So find out what 8 coins just missed my list but are still poised to outgain the market. Let's get it. I'm not a financial advisor. Welcome to BitBoy X. I'm your host, the BitBoy, and you've landed home of the Bit Squad, the highest IQ investors on the planet. Now, if you're ready to join up and dominate the crypto market, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell, but don't break it. Today, we're breaking down the close calls and why these projects almost made my 2025 list, but ultimately fell short. Now, before we jump in, let's take a look back at last year's 2024 coins. XRP, Solana, Doge, and others, well, they absolutely crushed the market. Now, our list over doubled the average returns of the top 50 and the top 100 coins. It over tripled Ethereum's performance and strongly outperformed Bitcoin. That's why none of my 2024 picks made my 2025 list. Should already had them. They've run their course of massive growth, and we're looking ahead to the next big winners. If you want to see how our coins from last year did, or you want to check out our list so far in 2025, make sure to click this link above. But just quickly to catch up, number 9, Polygon. Number 8, Filecoin. Number 7, BitTensor. Number 6, ICP. Number 5, Render. Number 4, Near. Number 3, Ondo. Number 2, The Graph. And number 1, well, you gotta wait until the next video to see that one, duh. Now, let's dive in to the close calls. The coins that could still give us incredible upside, but didn't quite make the final top coins list. First, we've got BNB. This is one of the most established coins in the market, but its market cap is already massive, limiting its upside potential compared to, let's say, some smaller market cap projects. Now, all that being said, BNB has emerged stronger than ever, surviving turbulent times in the exchange world. This proves exchange tokens, well, they still have a lot of value, which, by the way, you should check out Phemex token from our exchange partner of choice, Phemex. As you guys can see, PT, Phemex token, has crushed the market. Sign up for Phemex to grab some PT by clicking the link in the description or scanning the QR code on the screen. Now, another exchange token that I left off was actually one of my top coins in the last bull run, CRO. Earlier this year, I was out on it, but all it took was a word from Mr. X to let me know Crypto.com is going to get through their regulation woes and survive, maybe even thrive. Mr. X has even given BNB and Crypto.com's token CRO his vote of confidence as exchanges worth watching. Both exchanges have grown stronger out of adversity, and I believe we'll see a significant run for BNB and CRO in the coming cycle. Are you looking for a reliable crypto exchange with low fees and high security? The search can be overwhelming with so many options out there. Join Phemex using my affiliate link to get up to an $8,800 trading bonus right now. Experience top-notch trading features, low fees, and strong security. Click the link in the description to get started today. Next on the list, we have HBAR. Hedera has been on my radar for 2 years straight, but just barely missed my list both times. It's been a steady performer, but its year-to-date gains, well, they haven't outpaced Bitcoin, making it the right call to leave off in the past. However, 2025 could finally be HBAR's year. With its growing ecosystem and enterprise-grade blockchain, HBAR is definitely a strong contender for massive gains. It just didn't feel as strong as some of my other picks this year. Now, let's talk about Fetch.ai, or Fetch. This token is part of the new Artificial Superintelligence Alliance, or ASI, which is shaping up to be a major player in the AI and blockchain space. But the Palau AI debacle took some shine off the alliance when Palau reversed its decision to join after backlash from its community. That hiccup makes me cautious about future partnerships with ASI. But Fetch, of course, still has massive potential in AI and blockchain integration. And it does also have a chance to be the behemoth in the AI space. But recent events have me questioning that position. Injective Protocol is another one that almost made the list. Cassie, the Duchess of DeFi, who brought us Sui, one of my top 2024 picks, was adamant that I consider Injective, and while I agreed with her that INJ has enormous potential, there just wasn't enough room on my list this year. Injective is a strong project, good staking, with a great use case, and while it didn't make my top coins, you should definitely give it a look. Then there's Sei, the blockchain of traders. Sei was my first coin out. If I had done a top 10 coins list this year, Sei would have been number 10. I have a feeling this could be the top coin I regret leaving off this list. With its trader-centric blockchain, Sei is poised for significant growth in an evolving trading world, and I wouldn't be surprised if it delivers major returns in 2025. Flare, or FLR, is another strong project that didn't make the list. Flare is an XRP-related project focused on tokenizing real-world assets on its own chain. While it's had explosive moments in the past, its year-to-date gains are only 60%. As XRP moves deeper into tokenization, Flare could see massive growth in the RWA niche. It's a project with solid upside potential, but it didn't quite make the cut. Finally, there's Jasmy. This one was way down on CoinMarketCap in the 80s when I wrote this video, but its 342% year-to-date gains, well, they're hard to ignore. While it's tough to duplicate those kinds of gains in the second half of a bull run, Jasmy's position as a smaller project with high performance makes it worth watching. It's already been moving since I wrote this video. It reminds me of the massive movements we saw from Doge and Sui in 2024, but the risk of slower growth in 2025 kept it off my list. So there you have it, my close calls for 2025. These 8 coins didn't make the final list, but they're still serious contenders for massive growth. From BNB and CRO emerging stronger, to Sei's trader-focused blockchain, and even Jasmy's explosive gains, these projects are worth keeping on your radar. If you're curious about what did make my top coins of 2025 list, make sure to click on the playlist above to watch the full breakdown. Let me know down below in the comments, which close call do you think most likely am I going to regret leaving off the list? Guys, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel on your way out. That's all I got. Be blessed. Boy out.